They say the neon lights are bright on Broadway. Well, this is what happens when you take a boy from Hawaii and you put him in 38-degree weather. He tends to freeze. I'm all bundled up. I'm a little punch drunk, but I'm here in front of Junior's restaurant on Broadway. Junior's is known for making some of the best cheesecake, if not the best cheesecake in New York City. In fact, when you find a list of the 10 best cheesecakes in New York, Junior's is always number 1, number 2, or number 3. It's really a tasty cheesecake. They got all kinds of different varieties you'll see in a little while. And this is one of the places that if you're coming and you want a New York classic food, a cheesecake, you shouldn't miss it. This is a great place. She's gonna have scrambled eggs and bacon.
Scrambled eggs and bacon?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else? Just the eggs and the bacon?
Just the eggs and the bacon. Oh, you know what? Bring some hash browns. We'll all share that. And then for the rest of us, we're going to share like a bowl of matzo ball soup. Let's get an order of blintzes, and then we're going to get cheesecakes, several cheesecakes.
So the bowl of matzo ball soup we don't do on breakfast. We only do
You don't?
lunch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we can do the blintzes and the cheesecake, no problem. It's
Yeah.
Only the matzo ball soup.
Okay, that's fine. So here at Junior's, they make every kind of deli food you can imagine, but people say their sandwiches are very ordinary, and we have better places for sandwiches. But their blintzes are supposed to be very good, so we placed an order of blintzes. Also, their cheesecakes are known to be excellent, so we're going to order some cheesecakes. And also for our niece and nephew, we're going to order a bagel with some lox and cream cheese, because that's a traditional New York food that they should try. Now, blintzes, for those of you that don't know, it's like a crepe. It's filled with a cheese filling, and then you can put sour cream and you can put fruit on it. Here we got, I think this is cherry and sour cream. We put that on there. This is good, but my grandmother made better blintzes. Too crisp.
Share. That's too much.
Chisu, I think that's too much food for you.
And just over there, so share, okay?
She doesn't want to share. He says, this is all mine, nobody can have it but me.
How can I edit this?
This bagel is kind of ordinary. The Russ and Daughters bagel was much better. Actually, I like the Tompkins Square bagel and the other bagel from Essa Bagel better as well. This is okay. This is nothing special. It's more like bread with a hole in it. So they are famous for their cheesecake here. A lot of people say they have the best in New York. I do like their cheesecake. That is rich, it's creamy, it's sweet, it's everything you want in a cheesecake. It's everything I want in a cheesecake. Now, if only our waiter were to bring us some coffee, it would be a nice thing.